In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed an Instagram feed on your Wix website. To start with, you'll need to open your Wix editor. Now, carefully navigate your way to the page where you are planning to add the Instagram feed. Next, your task is to locate the Add Apps option. Typically, you can find this option in the left-hand side menu of your Wix editor. Once you have successfully found the Add Apps option, click on it without dallying. Directly following that, be sure to search for the Instagram feed application. Once the app comes up in the search results, take a moment to click on Add to Site. But we're not done yet. To seamlessly display your Instagram feed on your Wix page, you have to link your Instagram account. Just click on the newly added Instagram feed app on your page and look for the option that reads Account Settings. It'll walk you through every step necessary to log into your Instagram account effectively. Next up is personalizing the appearance and layout of your Instagram feed to your liking. Feel free to delve into the feed settings and fine-tune every aspect as per your desired preferences. Once you have customized everything to your satisfaction, don't forget to click on Publish. This will, in effect, make your newly added Instagram feed active on your website. Moving on, let's discuss another method, using an embed code from a third-party app such as Elfsight. Head over to the Elfsight website or any other app's site that lets you create custom Instagram feed widgets. Utilize their tools to create and customize an Instagram feed widget that aligns with your preferences. Once your Instagram feed widget is ready and customized to your exact requirements, you need to copy the embed code that the site provides you. Then return to your Wix editor. From there, try locating the plus button, which pertains to adding new elements. Upon clicking it, select either Embed Code or Embed a Widget. Now that you've completed the aforementioned steps, it's time to paste that copied code into the element. Don't forget to accurately position the widget on your page for optimal appearance. When you've finished positioning and are content with how it looks, click Publish again. This will make your changes take effect, and your Instagram feed would now be live on your Wix website.